Digital marketing is a beast. Which marketing channels should you be on? What do SEO and PPC actually mean? What are the pros and the cons of each different type of digital marketing? Where do you even start? Well, in this video, we're going to look at 11 types of digital marketing. Clearly, there is some overlap between the various options, but at least you'll have a kind of menu to choose from. Before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money online with digital marketing. This has helped thousands of ordinary people like me to generate income online through digital marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description below this video so you can check it out. Marketing has always been about connecting with your audience in the right place and at the right time. Today, this means that you need to meet people where they're already spending their time on the internet. Enter digital marketing. In other words, any form of marketing that exists online. So what are the various types of digital marketing you could choose from? #1 is search engine optimization, often called SEO. Search engine optimization does what it says on the package, so to speak. It optimizes your website to rank higher in the search engines. This means creating content that people are actively searching for, as well as making sure that this content and the platforms where it's sitting is optimized from a technical point of view as well. Everyone should be doing this, no matter what business or industry you're in. #2 is content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and distributing content like text, pictures, and multimedia that adds value for your audience instead of just broadcasting an advertising message. Essentially, it's the creation and promotion of content assets for the purpose of generating brand awareness, traffic growth, lead generation, and customers. #3 is social media marketing. Compared to other channels like TV, social media brings a whole new world of engagement and interaction with your leads. Instead of just broadcasting messages out at a mass audience, you can actually interact with your customers and listen to what they have to say. In social media marketing, you're promoting your brand and your content on social media channels to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, and generate leads for your business. There are all sorts of channels for this: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Snapchat, and a lot of others. Now, options range from organic traffic, for example, Facebook groups, to paid traffic, such as Facebook ads. #4 is pay-per-click, often called PPC. Pay-per-click is paid search advertising. For example, Google AdWords and Bing ads. It almost looks the same as organic search results, except these appear at the top of the search results page with a little box that says ad. You can buy a top ranking position through auction-based keywords or geographical location or demographics. It's especially useful for e-commerce and for local businesses. #5 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means working with other individuals or companies who will promote your products in return for a commission. Now, it's especially popular with bloggers and with e-commerce sites. One of the biggest affiliate programs is actually Amazon Associates. The affiliate will promote your product on their website, and if the customer clicks through and buys, then the affiliate will automatically receive a commission for driving that sale. #6 is native advertising. Native advertising refers to advertisements that are primarily content-led and featured on a platform alongside other non-paid content. BuzzFeed sponsored posts are a good example, but many people also consider social media advertising to be native: Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising, for example. #7 is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most effective digital marketing tools. In particular, e-commerce sites and retail brands are very successful in offering seasonal promotions and discounts, while you can also use email newsletters to sort of feed your potential customers by offering them a lot of value beyond just pushing your products and services. #8 is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers like celebrities, experts, and authority figures who have an existing audience. When they promote your product to their audience, often on platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube, loyal followers will jump on their recommendation and buy from you. #9 is sponsored content. With sponsored content, a brand will pay another business or a person to create and promote content that discusses the brand's product or service in some way. A popular type of sponsored content is influencer marketing, which we just talked about. With this type of sponsored content, a brand sponsors an influencer in its industry to upload posts or videos on social media about the product or service. Another type of sponsored content can be a blog post or an article written to highlight a topic or a service or brand. #10 is search engine marketing, often called SEM. When a potential prospect is looking for a product or business related to yours, That's a great opportunity for promotion. So paid advertising and SEO are two great strategies for promoting your business to tap into those future leads. Search engine marketing is another way to increase your website traffic by placing paid ads on search engines. The two most popular SEM services are Bing Ads and Google Ads, of course. These paid advertisements fit neatly at the top of a search engine's results page, giving you instant visibility. It's also an example of effective native advertising. And number 11 is instant messaging marketing. Marketing your products through messaging platforms is a quick way to reach potential leads, even for those who haven't offered their mobile phone number. It's a simple way to let your audience know about flash sales, new products, or updates to their orders. If your customers have questions or need more information, it's also a convenient way to connect with customer service. You can choose to send messages directly to a mobile phone via SMS or via messages on platforms such as Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. I hope this makes sense. I hope that you can use one or more of these digital marketing channels in your business. If this was helpful in any way, hit that like button down below and subscribe and click the bell to get all my latest videos. And if you want to learn how to leverage digital marketing into a full-time six-figure income online, I'll drop a link below this video for my #1 recommendation for generating income online. It's the exact blueprint for succeeding with digital marketing. In the link, you'll find the training and the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful businesses online. So check out the link in the description below this video. No pressure, it's totally up to you, and I'll see you in the next one.